Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of update. A way to bring something or someone up to date or update something. For example, an update on recently published crime figures. American pronunciation. Update. Update. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Update. Say. Update. Update means act of updating something or someone or updated version of something. Update. Update. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Individual subscribers can update their business entries using a secure password. Now, repeat after me. Individual subscribers can update their business entries using a secure password. The second practice. An alternative list of recently updated British blogs can be found here. Now, repeat after me. An alternative list of recently updated British blogs can be found here.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.